In this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a shape quickly and easily. So first thing, you need your isolated element. I got this from my templates. If you want to know how to edit templates, I'll put another link in the video below. You can watch that video instead. For this one, I'm going to show how to duplicate this shape. So I'm going to Alt-click and drag over here. So I have two shapes, kind of the same path of isolation. So what I want to do is I want to create multiple shapes in a line. Now this could be longer if we want, doesn't really matter. So I'm going to hold down Shift and click both of my shapes with my selection tool. Then I'm going to go down to my blend tool, which is right here. By the way, if you don't see all of your tools, you can always click this ellipses at the bottom and make sure you have advanced set to see your tools. So there's the blend tool right there. I'm going to click one point of my shape, the top point of one. Then I'm going to go and click the top point of the other, and it filled in that pathway of lines. Now, if I wanted less or more, you can double click on your blend tool, then choose specified steps, and you can choose exactly how many you'd like to see. So we'll do okay. There we go. Now I see less. Now, this is kind of all on this isolated path. Individual shapes are not editable after you originally do your blend. But if you want to edit the shapes individually, so let's say I want more, let's say I want 10 steps here. Then I want to edit these individually. I'll go up to Object and click Expand, then click OK. And now each of those shapes are individually editable. You also would want to ungroup them so that you can select them, but there you go. And that's how you quickly duplicate shapes using Illustrator Blend Tool. Don't forget to subscribe.